Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's going on in your love life, Cancerians. Let's see what's there on your side. On your side we have the Hierophant, okay? On your person side, let's see what's there on your person side. Okay, we have the Knight of Wands on your person side. So you are either dealing with a connection in which you are committed or you are wanting commitment and marriage. And this on your person side, we have the Knight of Wands. A lot of passion, and this person is really passionate about you and rushing in towards you with some sort of an offer, or they have already done that. But yes, this person has a lot of passion for you. So let's see what is the most likely outcome. Okay, the Six of Cups. So either it is a soulmate type of a connection, or we'll clarify what it is. Is it somebody from the past, or some sort of a reconciliation which you are wanting? It can be that. Anyway, we'll see what we'll clarify. So why is Hierophant here on Cancerian side? So for the Hierophant, we have the King of Swords, the Justice, and the Five of Cups. Okay. Let's see why is this Knight of Wands here on your person side, Cancerians. So for the Knight of Wands, we have the Hermit, the Three of Cups, and the Knight of Wands again. Okay. So why is this Six of Cups here for? So for the Six of Cups, we have the Two of Wands, the Fool, and the Three of Pentacles with the Ace of Swords. So Cancerians, what I feel here is that you are wanting, either you are dealing with a condition or a relationship which is committed and stable, stable in the sense committed and long term with some sort of a solid foundation, or you're wanting that you want some sort of a justice in this situation. You want things to be sorted out. You want a decision in this situation. Some sort of a decision is being wanted. What I feel here with the King of Swords and the Five of Cups, the person you are dealing with, maybe you are committed to them or you were committed to them, but there is some sort of a decision which has to be made. Right now, I really don't think that you people are talking. There is some sort of a disconnect over here, a very cold vibe. You are feeling very upset about it, and you are waiting for a decision. Maybe it is a legal decision, can be that. But yes, you are trying, you're waiting for a decision and trying some sort of a justice, trying to have some sort of a balance restored in this situation, because you are really upset. And I really don't feel that you're talking to this person or investing much, or even if the communication is there, it's very to the point type of a communication. There is no emotions are being shown in this relationship from your side. As far as this person is concerned, with the Knight of Wands, we have the King of Wands, the Three of Cups, and the Hermit. So what I feel is definitely this person has a lot of passion for you, a lot of passion, and this person's intuition says that they want to move towards you. They really want a reunion with you. And what I feel is this person has really had a deep thought about it. This person has listened to their intuition. This person, it's not that they are rushing in passionately. It's not an impulsive decision on their side. They have really thought about it, and after thinking, they have realized that no, they really have a lot of passion for you and they really need you. They want you back in their life, and that is why they are now, after that realization, they want to rush in and make things okay once again. So this Knight of Wands energy doesn't seem to be an impulsive and a rash decision. It seems to be a quite thought of decision with the Hermit being there. So they definitely want to reconcile with you, because they have realized your worth and they have realized their feelings for you. With the Six of Cups being there, this is definitely now talking about reconciliation. With the Three of Cups and the Six of Cups, it's a reunion and a reconciliation. So for that, we have the Two of Wands, the Fool, the Three of Pentacles, and the Ace of Swords. So definitely there is somebody here waiting And what I feel, it's you, can be them, but I think you're waiting. So somebody here is definitely waiting for somebody to come in and take a leap of faith, and that is what you are doing with the Six of Cups. It is a reunion. You are just okay. You're just, it's like one more thing is there, that you are waiting, and you're just waiting for a new beginning with this person, and that is what you're just waiting, that when will this person come, when will my person show up. And I just want to dive deep in the ocean of love with this person. Once again, you really want to surrender to this person, you really want to surrender to the new beginning with this person, and you are just all in this relationship. Okay, and what I feel here with the Three of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords, what I feel is, once you are able to take this leap of faith and you are able to, you will be doing, your weight is definitely getting over. What I feel here with the Three of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords, that it's like you are like family, spending some time with your family and friends, and you are maybe discussing or taking opinions of your family and friends for this particular reconciliation, some sort of a get together or some sort of a opinion of family friends, talking it over. It's some sort of a conversation is there. That's what I feel with the Three of Pentacles. Is like you're sitting together and trying to sort it out, something like that. And with the Ace of Swords, what I feel, it is definitely there is a new beginning. You have the clarity, no, I want this, both of you want this. So both of you have the clarity to sit together, talk about it, making it happen. One person is waiting here, the other person is ready to just surrender to the new beginning. Okay, let's see how it goes this time, type of feeling. And you're ready for a new beginning, definitely. So let's see what is the guidance from the angel, from the universe here for the Cancerians. Get to know each other. Learn to meet each other's need of love. Number 44 may be of some significance for you. So you really need to get to know each other. Maybe whatever the dispute is, whatever the situation was that you people had sort of disconnected, maybe you really didn't know each other well. So perhaps you need to spend some time together and get to know each other better than before. So Cancerians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.